What if we wanted more energy? Well, we could build more farms. We could build one over there, one over there. Or instead of using up prime real estate on Earth, we could shift to where real estate is ultimately cheap and go to space and build lots of solar panels and get thousands of times more than our current energy needs. Beyond that, the logical step is to go straight to the source. Go to the sun and build a so-called Dyson sphere. The idea came from scientist Freeman Dyson. There's a variety of different designs, but the one that I was looking at was the so-called Dyson swarm. Basically lots of mirrors or solar panels in orbit around the sun, getting its energy, redirecting it and beaming it to Earth or human colonies throughout the solar system. To build a Dyson swarm around the sun, we need a lot of material. I looked at the possibility of using mercury. It would start with a solar farm on the surface of Mercury. Energy would be extracted to power factories to build more solar panels, to power diggers that dig up more materials to make more factories. And I think you see where this is going. It cycles back on itself. And if you do get exponential growth, you start doing things like taking planets apart. Sorry, Mercury, it's nothing personal. You just happen to be in the right location. So here's we start the project. And this is the mass of Mercury. As you can see, it's imperceptible for about 20 years. It's very tiny there. It starts picking up here as a feedback loop is really getting going. And then here, what you see is exponential growth soaring through what's left of the materials of Mercury and taking it all apart for the Dyson sphere around the sun. What a Dyson sphere would do would give humans choice and responsibility. The energy requirements of colonizing the entire universe are trivial compared with the sun's energy. We can start colonizing every galaxy in the universe that we could ever reach at 99% of the speed of light with about 6 hours of the sun's energy. There are no aliens to contest us, then if we want, there will be Dyson spheres around every star in our galaxy. It's ultimately a sign that we are in charge of our portion of the universe.
我第一次听说戴森球这个想法的时候，觉得很震撼。很有科幻色彩，也很宏伟的一个画面。随着以后更多的、更仔细的去想这个设想的话，我发现这个设想可能是一种直线思维。我举个例子，假如说我们回到这个上古时代，那会儿人们唯一的燃料就是柴，是木柴，烧木柴。这会儿你问他的一个科学家，你问他，你能不能给我预测一下宇宙中的那个掌握了巨大能量的超级文明，他们是个什么状态？他肯定会说，他们那个星球的大陆上每个角落都种满了大树，他们在其他的行星上也种满了大树，这样他们就能取得无穷无尽的木材。他没想到后来的石油，戴森球也是这样一种思维，就是说。一个文明，它有能力把整个太阳都包起来，它会不会还用这种简单的方式，用这种级别的方式去取得能量？